we'll be studying about root test, which says that if limit n tends to infinity, nth root of a of n is equals to L, where L is any finite value. If this finite value is less than 1, that summation of an will be convergent, and if this finite value is greater than 1, then it will be divergent, and if it is equals to 1, then the series will be inconclusive. So we'll solve a few numericals on this. Summation of 1 by 3 raised to n into n plus 1 by n raised to n. So by ratio test, limit n tends to infinity, n root of a of n will be equal to, taking nth root, will be getting 1 by 3 raised to n, 1 by n into n plus 1 by n raised to n of 1 by n. So this will be getting cancelled out. So we'll be left out with limit n tends to infinity, 1 by 3 into n plus 1 by n. So dividing by the highest power, we'll be getting 1 by 3 into 1 plus 1 by n. So taking limit, we'll be getting 1 plus 0, which will be equals to 1 by 3, which is less than 1. Hence it will be convergent by root test. Second one is 4 plus 6n divided by 3 plus 5n raised to n. So by root test, limit n tends to infinity, nth root of an will be equals to 4 plus 6n divided by 3 plus 5n, and taking the nth root, will be getting, so this will be getting cancelled out. So we'll be left out with 4 plus 6n divided by 3 plus 5n. Dividing by the highest power, we'll get 4 by n plus 6 divided by 3 plus 3 by n plus 5. Taking n tends to infinity, taking limit n tends to infinity, we'll be getting 0 plus 6 divided by 0 plus 5, which will be equals to 6 by 5. Here we can see that dividing 6 by 5 will get a value greater than 1. Hence it is divergent by root test. One minus 3 by n raised to n. By ratio test, limit n tends to infinity, nth root of an will be equals to limit n tends to infinity, 1 minus 3 by n raised to 1 by n. So we'll be left out with 1 minus 3 by n. Taking limit n tends to infinity, we'll be getting 1 minus 0, which will be equals to 1. Here 1 says that this given series is inconclusive by root test. Summation of minus 1 raised to n into 5n plus 3 divide by n plus 1 raised to n. So by root test, limit n tends to infinity, nth root of an will be equals to, here as we are taking mod, we can neglect this, 5 raised to n, splitting 5 raised to n plus 3 will be getting 5 raised to n into 5 raised to 3, divide by n plus 1 raised to n raised to 1 by n. So taking this n 1 by n inside, will be getting 5 into 5 raised to 3 by n divide by n plus 1. So taking individual limits, will be left out with 5 divided by n plus 1 into limit n tends to infinity, 5 raised to 3 raised to 1 by n. We can write this as 5 raised to 3 raised to 1 by n. But taking limit on both sides, we'll be getting here 0, and here will be left out with 5 raised to 3 raised to 0. Anything raised to 0 is equals to 1. So 0 into 1, we're going to get 1, and 0 is less than 1, hence it is convergent by root test. Thank you friends for watching my videos.